Hi, it's Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today I wanted to show you an alternative way of doing a slider switch for an LED card. Now, I've chosen a relatively simple design for the front, and as you can guess, it's a Christmas theme. I have repeated this design on my base card, but I've got the extra elements. I've got the battery circle here, I've got some lines going across here, I've got a thick score line just here, I've got my lines for all my circuitry. So I've got the design in the center, which means that wherever I put my light bulb, it'll be where it's supposed to be when it comes to putting the top on. Now, the easiest way of getting everything to line up is to do the back of your card first with all the elements on it that you can possibly need. Copy it, paste it, and remove the elements that you don't. So on the front, I removed all the score lines, but I put this heavy line here as a cut line because I wanted a slit cut out. With this one, instead of having a slider switch that comes out to the side, what I'm doing is I'm doing a modified version of that, where the slider goes in the slit here and it just goes off or on according to whether you put it to the left or to the right. And it's really neat. That can just fold down for postage, so it's not a problem, and you just write off and on here and it will work just fine. Now that I've got all my bits of tape on, you can see that I could move this switch over to the right hand side and it's going to switch on. Before you put the front onto the back of the card, make sure you put your switch in place, move it over to the left, and then you'll be able to stick it down onto your double-sided foam tape and your card should work nicely when it's completed. So this is a finished card. As you can see, it's quite sparse in its decoration. This is what it's going to look like when it's switched on. If I put my blind down, you can see the true effect of this at night. I'm pretty happy with that. So there we go, another way of doing a lighting up card with just a slightly different switch. I think it looks really neat, and of course it doesn't take any extra room on a shelf if you're putting it on a shelf to display it. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.